Hello everyone, welcome to today's video and I'm going to show you how to make different cabinet door styles in Revit. So first you're going to want to go to File, then New, and go to Family. And you're going to go to Casework. You can do generic model, whatever, but cabinets, millwork, it's casework. So that's what I'm going to click. And the cabinet style, the first cabinet style that I'm going to show you, and I'll probably do a part 2 to this video because there's so many other cabinet styles, but the first cabinet style I'm going to show you is this one. It is a shaker cabinet style, and I'm on the CraftMate website, and so it's very simple. So first you're going to make your base cabinet. I'm going to go to extrusion, and I'm just going to go within the reference lines they have here, but obviously you make it however wide or high your cabinets need to be. So once I do that, I'm going to go to the front view and just bring it up. And of course you want to make some room for the toe kick, but like I said, you know, make your correct dimensions. I'm just eyeballing everything right now. And so I'm going to go to Create tab, Extrusion, and make the base for the cabinet. Go back to the front view, bring it down, go to the right, and push it in for toe kick space. And boom. Okay, so now for the cabinet doors, I'm going to go to the front view, and I'm going to go to Create tab, Extrusion, and to do the shaker, it tells you how wide the styles and reels are here. If you're on the website where you're getting cabinets from, they don't tell you, I would contact a rep or the brand specifically to get the correct dimensions. But the ones here on CraftMate are 3 inches all around. So first, you're just going to make the first layer, which is this inner layer here. And click the check mark, go to the right so you can size the depth correctly, and I'm not sure how thick it is, but I'm just gonna eyeball that. And then I'm gonna go back to the front, create extrusion, click the rectangle tool and go over that again, but then click the offset tool or click OF on your keyboard, and mine's already set at 3 inches, so I'm just going to offset each of these lines 3 inches. Click the TR on my keyboard to trim these edges. And click the check mark. Go back to the right. Correctly do the depth. Bring this one up. And that's how a side view is going to look. And now you have your shaker style cabinet. Okay, so the next style I'm going to show you is a raised panel door, cabinet door type, cabinet door style. And as you can see, these styling rails are 2 3/4 of an inch and the middle panel is raised. So going back to Revit, go to the front view. And I'm actually going to make this a little smaller. And then, because it just looks really weird when it's that wide. But anyways, go to Create Extrusion, make the base, which is the inner part, go to the right, and I'm just going to change the depth of it. Boom, got that. Now you're going to go back to Create Extrusion, and you're going to make the styling rails. So I click the rectangle tool, and I'm going over the entire thing. I'm going to click the offset tool, and I'm going to change it to 2 3/4 of an inch. So a little below 3 inches. Now I'm on the trim tool right here, and I'm just trimming these edges off. Okay, and now I'm going to click the check mark and go to the right view and just drag the depth inward to the same as the other one. And now it's time for the raised panel. So I'm going to go to Create. This time I'm going to click the blend tool And right now we are editing the base. That's why the edit top one is highlighted. So you're going to create a rectangle that fits this center. And then you're going to click edit top. The top, it needs to be smaller than the base because it's a raised panel. And as you can see, it's angled here. So with that being said, now we are in editing the top mode. I'm going to create this same rectangle again. Click the offset tool. Now I don't know if it's 2 3/4 inches again. It may just be, I'm just going to eyeball it and do 2 inches, but I'm going to offset each of these lines. Then I'm going to press TR on my keyboard, or you can click this icon here and trim these edges. And then I'm going to escape that and delete this outer line. I was just using the outer line as guidelines to create the raised panel. Now I'm going to click the check mark and I'm going to go to the right. And obviously that's wrong, so you got to fix that depth. Now you need to put it on the top of the base panel that we made. And you can make your raised panel as thick as you want. Obviously, it doesn't need to be that thick. I'm not exactly sure how thick it needs to be, but I'm just going to eyeball it, of course. Maybe like there. And so now you have your raised panel cabinet. So those are 2 cabinet styles that you can make in your project, whether you're in school, whatever. You can impress your other peers and colleagues, and you can teach them as well now that you know how to do it. So thank you so much for watching. I will be making a part 2 to this video to show you 2 other cabinet styles that you can do. Thank you for watching, and God bless.